The video showcases a real-world prototype cockpit developed using NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, a powerful AI governance engine designed to build domain-specific AI products across business verticals. It transforms raw enterprise data into structured, governed intelligence by integrating the 3D, 10D AI-DNN engine, Cognitive Cube, with Analyzer 1.0 under the IGA 2026 framework, ensuring that intelligence is not only generated but also governed, validated, and audit-ready for enterprise decision-making. Invented and architected by Dr. Pradeep K. Suri, this framework represents a shift from predictive AI to governed, accountable decision intelligence. The exit graph shows valuation versus risk across review cycles. It helps management understand where decision windows may be strongest, but final approval must still come through policy and analyzer control. The release gate visualizes readiness for governed movement from insight to controlled action. It does not approve action by itself, it only shows how close the system is to governance acceptance. NeuroGov Plus connects to ERP, CRM, IoT, by dashboards, and LLM/RAG pipelines through APIs or middleware. This enables real-time ingestion of enterprise data while ensuring that decision authority remains under IGA 2026 governance control. NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, a plug-and-play governance engine for any data ecosystem. NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, is designed as a universal governance layer that can be seamlessly plugged into any existing data solution, whether it is ERP, CRM, by dashboards, data lakes, IoT systems, or even advanced AI/LLM pipelines. Unlike traditional systems that require complete replacement or restructuring, NeuroGov Plus integrates on top of existing infrastructure, preserving current investments while transforming raw data into governed, decision-ready intelligence. At its core, NeuroGov Plus operates on the IGA 2026 framework, which ensures that intelligence generation, decision control, and assurance are structurally separated. This allows any connected data system to continue generating insights, inform, while NeuroGov Plus governs those insights before they become actionable decisions, govern, and records them for audit and compliance, assure. This layered approach makes integration both safe and scalable. One of the key strengths of NeuroGov Plus is its compatibility with modern AI ecosystems, including large language models and retrieval pipelines. These models can plug into the inform layer to generate predictions, summaries, or simulations, but they are never given execution authority. NeuroGov Plus ensures that all outputs pass through governance checks before any business action is triggered, maintaining strict control over decision-making. From a technical standpoint, NeuroGov Plus connects through APIs, data connectors, or middleware, enabling it to work with structured and unstructured data sources alike. Whether the input comes from financial systems, manufacturing sensors, healthcare records, or educational platforms, the system standardizes this data into KPI, TSI, and OSI formats. This normalization allows governance rules to be applied consistently across all domains. The plug-and-play capability also supports legacy systems, which is critical for enterprises that cannot afford downtime or system replacement. NeuroGov Plus acts as an overlay layer, meaning organizations can continue using their existing tools while gradually enhancing them with governance intelligence. This reduces implementation risk and accelerates adoption across departments and business units. In multi-domain environments, NeuroGov Plus demonstrates its true power by acting as a unifying governance engine. A single deployment can simultaneously govern finance, healthcare, manufacturing, logistics, and education systems. This one-engine multiple domains approach ensures consistency in decision standards while allowing domain-specific data to flow independently. Another important advantage is real-time governance. As data flows into the system, NeuroGov Plus continuously evaluates it using Analyzer 1.0, applying policy thresholds and risk controls dynamically. This means decisions are not only governed at the point of execution but are continuously monitored and adjusted based on evolving data conditions. Security and compliance are inherently strengthened through this architecture. Every decision is tagged with a policy ID, timestamp, and governance trail, making it fully auditable. This is especially valuable for industries requiring regulatory compliance, as NeuroGov Plus transforms data systems into accountable and transparent decision environments. From a strategic perspective, this plug-in model shifts the role of data systems from passive reporting tools to active governance-driven decision platforms. Organizations no longer rely solely on insights, they rely on validated, policy-compliant decisions that align with business objectives and regulatory frameworks. In summary, NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, is not just another data tool, it is a governance engine that can sit above any data solution, transforming it into a controlled, intelligent, and audit-ready decision system. By enabling seamless integration, enforcing governance, and ensuring accountability, it represents the next evolution in enterprise AI architecture. Summary: NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, can be plugged into any data solution as a governance layer, converting raw data into controlled, validated, and auditable decisions under IGA 2026. It enables seamless integration, multi-domain scalability, real-time governance, and enterprise-grade compliance without replacing existing systems. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri is the inventor and architect of the 3D, 10D AIDNN engine, Cognitive Cube, Analyzer 1.0, NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, and the IGA 2026 governance architecture. His work separates intelligence generation, governance control, and assurance evidence so that AI can become accountable, auditable, and enterprise-ready across domains.